Don't even start it at all anymore. And it's got that little red light on there.